Hello my audio friends. Today Jcat's network card arrived and I will show you the card for my new server, Audiophool server. Here's description. Please press stop to read it. I hope you can read it. And here it is inside now. Push it away. Nice. You can read it better this way. And it is called Jcat XE. And yeah, for me the most important thing is here it has two RJ45 network plugs here, and here for me most important, as you know, is this small piece here. This is clock, OCXO clock. Optional, you can use here 5 volts, middle pin is plus, and to give it an external LPS and for better sound, because if you plug it in, it can be feed with internal PCI voltage here directly, or via this plug here. It is possible to give him 5 volts from an internal power supply or somewhere else. And so here with this plug, an external power supply in special quality, very, very important for very good sound. And so you can decide if you use this and only plug it in because it's switched in turn directly to the right power place, and you cannot do it wrong. And use a very good Ethernet cable here to go from your server to your hopefully an OCXO switch, and that's the way I will do it. And I will build it in here in my Audiophool server now. And after the OCXO I2S card from Pink Faun, this is the second card in Audiophool server, to bring it up a little bit, because it's in original state. It's superb for its price. But you can go the way further to add these cards with OCXO clock. Audiophool server uses the Ethernet input of the mainboard, and if you use this, you can use it with OCXO, and so it's maybe we will hear this better sound, and we will add an external power supply. So, if you buy an Audiophool server, you have the ground level is, to the starting level is very, very high. And if you use, then after that you have money again and you think, oh yes, let's do the next step. You can buy an Ethernet card or an I2S or a USB card from Pink Faun or Jcat and go the way further. And that's so important, and it's easy to do. It's plug and play. It's plug and play. Put it into an, here is it, it's here, PC with one free X1 or X16 lane PCI Express 2.0 slot, and you can put it there in. Watch for the thickness of the board so that it fits there, and start. Connection here and start. And I will watch which place in the Audiophool server might be the best one, which PCI slot is the best one for Ethernet card, and then for the I2S card from Pink Faun. And I will try this, everything, and yeah, that's my next step. And yeah, Jcat, watch this. Jcat. So very, very good build quality here. Very nice made. Very nice made. Thank you. So as you can see, that's the way I built it in, because the Pink Faun clock is very deep. And so I used the space here on this side of the main board, because if I change them here, this space between is the both cards will touch each other. So this is the best way for me. You see here in the middle there's one not used, and that's the best way, with a little space in between. And so yeah, that's the only way I see to mount it, and I hope we can hear now music. Oh, very nice view. Ooh. And there you can see both beneath each other, Jcat, and that's Pink Faun. Folks, it is done. It's done, it's done. And you see there my switch, my OCXO switch, must move a little bit to the left side, because my cable, it's a network cable of Headquarter Audio to the server of Audiophool. It is a little bit short because the card is more to the left side from here, and so I must remove or move the switch a little bit to the left side. Everything else is the same, and I use J's Audio external power supply, 5 volts for the Jcat network card, because I think Audiophool did something inside of the main board and with a system inside to remove the power of the PCI board, and so it doesn't connect to my network. And so I decided to give it with my special cable to I showed you the input for 5 volts from external power supply, and I use this now. And yeah, hear it. Yeah, it's always the same with a better OCXO clock in every part of the system. Better sound stage, better background, and blacker background, and details are more refined, and musicality is a step up. And you know that all from me, or of me, if I told it so often here. And yeah, musicality is OCXO clock, and the quality of the OCXO clock is the right way. And with the server of Audiophool, you have every chance to buy this one and have music in your rig, and to go the way further with upgrading of the original Pink Faun card of Audiophool, which is very good with a TCXO clock, very good, much better than many other more expensive devices. And you can hear this. In this moment you will have the server inside of your rig, you will hear music, and that's for me the most important thing with the Audiophool server. It gives you the music from the first tone, and then you can upgrade more and go your way, not to buy another device and not, it's not good, and let's do another, and here, and better cabling, and so. No. Right server. Musicality is there because of the LPS, the wonderful LPS of Audiophool, and with the Pink Faun original T6O card inside, and that's the right way. And then you can upgrade your device, not to buy a new device, upgrade your device by yourself with only plug and play. And that's the right way, and it's the best way to bring your source in a level. I think this level is unbelievable. 20,000, 25,000 euros for this level, I think. And if you have this, you will hear the first time that the source is so important for your complete rig, and it will give you all the things that you missed. And it's the same here. I missed some things, and a little bit clearer voice and more separation and more overtones and realistic wood tones and metal clicking and a little bit flow in the music. And now this here is, I want to hear the whole night. My wife will kill me, I think. Okay, she will kill me. Okay, no, that's not a joke. It's real important. Maybe you listen half an hour or not more, and you are so excited and so satisfied with this music, you don't have to search for better cable and everything else. No, it's only the music now. And go with it and buy this Audiofool server, good cabling, normal cabling, not too expensive cabling. Ask me for this, I will give you advice, or I will make you a cable for this, and go ahead and hear music. That's the best thing in the world. Nearly. And you will do it. Many thanks for watching. Please subscribe and write me an email, write a comment, and let's talk. And if I can do something else, and there are more experienced people out there with some tips for me and to go further and further, and that's it. But now I feel, for me, I'm there. I have music in my room. That's wonderful. Many thanks.